Okay, in this video I'm going to set off the fire alarm, which is a Gentex GEC3 strobe, which is a Commander 3 series, and there's a horn strobe right outside the room. So I'm going to set it off. There's two ways to set it off. Here's the first one. Here's the horn strobe. And to turn it off, just push this up, open it, and you can either flip up the switch or you can just close it. And way two, sorry, I have to get the remote, is you use this universal remote that's hooked up to this. It's a control panel receiver thing. And so by pressing one of the buttons, it activates again. And then shut it off, just do the same thing. Now, this is all powered by one 12-volt adapter, which is, well, one of these three wires. But that's pretty much it.